Are you prepared to change your living area into a pleasant festive retreat this Christmas? With the holiday spirit in the air, now is the perfect time to create a warm, inviting area for family and friends to celebrate. Every feature contributes to the magical Christmas atmosphere, from glittering lights to comfortable linens. Whether you prefer classic decor or modern touches, there's something for everyone. Are you ready to get inspired and transform your living room into the coziest area this season? In this video, we'll look at 12 fascinating decor ideas to attempt. Warm lighting. Ambiance lighting is essential for creating a comfortable Christmas atmosphere. Use soft fairy lights to draw attention to important features in your living room, such as the mantle or Christmas tree. Drape them across shelves, wrap them around banisters, or lay them in glass jars to create a subtle glow. To give depth and warmth, combine them with various sized candles and lanterns. Flameless LED candles are an excellent choice for safety while still producing a flickering look. Remember to layer your lighting with dimmable fixtures or adjustable bulbs to create the ideal ambiance. Warm lighting adds a beautiful, festive feel to your living space, whether you're hosting friends or relaxing on a peaceful evening. Rustic Christmas tree charm. Turn your Christmas tree into a rustic masterpiece. Decorate it with natural materials like wooden ornaments, burlap bows, pine cones, and dried orange slices to give it an earthy, warm vibe. Use neutral or warm-toned lights to highlight the ornaments without overwhelming them. To complete the rustic look, use a tree skirt made of burlap or checkered fabric. DIY decorations, such as handmade paper snowflakes or family photo ornaments, can add to the nostalgic appeal. A rustic tree captures the essence of the festive season while also providing a touching, personal touch that makes your living space seem particularly unique. Soft, snuggly textiles. Layering your living area with soft linens is vital for creating that festive atmosphere. Drape plaid throws or faux fur blankets over your sofa and chairs to create a sumptuous and inviting atmosphere. Choose cushions in festive colors like red, green, or gold, or with seasonal designs like snowflakes or reindeer. Mixing textures, such as thick knits, velvet, and fleece, gives depth and warmth. Arrange these textiles in an artistically pleasing manner, with extras stored in a wicker basket nearby for convenient access. These soft, snug features enable everyone to relax and enjoy the Christmas spirit, making your living space the ideal warm sanctuary. Mantle magic. Your mantelpiece can be the focal point of your Christmas decor. Begin with a rich green garland, either natural or synthetic, and embellish it with fairy lights, ribbons, or baubles. Tall candles or lanterns provide vertical interest and a lovely glow. Personalize your mantle with stockings bearing family names or initials. To elicit good memories, use nostalgic artifacts such as vintage Christmas figurines, nutcrackers, or snow globes. To complete the appearance, hang a huge statement wreath or holiday-themed artwork above the mantle. A well-decorated mantle adds warmth and festiveness to the living area, capturing everyone's attention. Seasonal scent appeal. Scents are an effective method to elicit holiday reminiscence. To add festive odors to your living room, try cinnamon-scented candles or essential oil diffusers with fragrances such as pine, peppermint, or vanilla. A simmer pot containing cloves, apple slices, and cinnamon sticks can serve as both a natural air freshener and a decorative accent. To add a touch of natural aroma to the area, make a dried orange garland or use fresh foliage such as eucalyptus and cedar. The proper scents will complement your design, creating an inviting ambiance that delights the senses and heightens the holiday spirit. Winter wonderland centerpiece. With a stunning centerpiece, you may transform your coffee table into a winter wonderland. Begin with a tray or base and layer it with fake snow, miniature trees, and tiny figurines such as reindeer or Santa. For a pleasant warmth, add candles of varied heights, and for glitter, use metallic components such as gold or silver ornaments. For a more modern look, consider a transparent vase packed with white or red ornaments. This simple yet attractive centerpiece sparks conversation and brings together the festive elements in your living area. Festive wall art. When decorating for Christmas, don't forget to include your walls. Replace standard artwork with seasonal items such as holiday-themed posters, framed Christmas phrases, or homemade wreaths. You can also decorate the walls with garlands or fairy lights to add to the festive atmosphere. Create a gallery wall of images from previous Christmases to give a personal touch. If you have limited wall space, use adhesive hooks to display lightweight decorations such as snowflake cutouts or string ornaments. These additions will make your living space feel completely festive for the season. Whimsical window decor. Windows can become a magical component of your holiday decor. Use string lights to frame the window, or hang snowflake-shaped lights for a whimsical look. Stick on decals in festive forms such as snowflakes, trees, and stars give a fun touch and are simple to remove after the holidays. Drape greenery or berry garlands along the windowsill to create a natural effect. Hanging ornaments or tiny wreaths with ribbon from the curtain rod adds depth and character. These features not only brighten your living area but also bring festive pleasure to people outside. Personal touches. Personalize your Christmas decor with significant pieces. Display family photos from previous holidays or make a memory tree with ornaments that have sentimental importance. Involve your family in making homemade decorations such as hand-painted ornaments or paper garlands. Include handwritten holiday cards or messages from loved ones as part of your mantel decor. Personalized touches not only make your living room unique, but they also create an environment full of love, joy, and shared experiences, making the holidays even more memorable. Conclusion: are you delighted to make your living room the ultimate warm getaway this Christmas? Combine warm lighting, rustic charm, soft textiles, and festive decorations to create a room that exudes holiday cheer and welcomes family and friends with open arms. Whether you choose classic accents or futuristic designs, the idea is to incorporate personal aspects that reflect your taste and the spirit of the season. Let these ideas inspire you to make your living room the focal point of your Christmas celebrations. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. Are you prepared to change your living area into a pleasant festive retreat this Christmas?